Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting and super satisfying video for you. I'll be diving deep into a full-on cleaning session where I'll be focusing on thorough cleaning our living room and the dining area. First of all, I will be tackling the seat covers. Although I do not intend to clean the entire seats, just the covers. I'll be showing you my step-by-step process to get them looking fresh and spotless again. From removing them, choosing the right cleaning products, and giving them a good scrub. But guys, that is not all. I'll also give our dining chairs a much needed clean. These often overlooked spots can get pretty grimy. And I'll be sharing my favorite tips and tricks to make them sparkle like new. I've actually been avoiding cleaning the dining seats because I thought it was hectic, but I was surprised at how fast I got them clean. I'll start by wiping down the windows from the inside and then head outside to make sure they are crystal clear. I hope that by the end of this, guys, the space will feel like a breath of fresh air. So guys, after all that hard work, we'll transition into the cozy part of our evening where I'll be making a delicious dinner for my family. I'll share what we are cooking up so you can get some dinner inspiration too. So guys, let's grab our cleaning supplies and get started. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Let's make our homes shine together. So guys, the curtain cycle is done. I want to quickly remove them. Then the seat covers will be next in the washer. For the shears, I want them to soak for like 2 hours before I place them inside the washer.
It's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's 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 gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake
The next thing that I want to focus on is cleaning the dining seats, and I'll be using warm water and this upholstery cleaner, which actually smells so nice. By the time I was done doing this, guys, I was amazed and happy with the results. So guys, at this point I am done cleaning each and everything, and the next thing that I want to do is mop the floors. Although the shears are still in the washer, I know that it might take some time before everything dries properly, but I am glad I got to clean them and share the process with you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose.
So guys, I'll also be sharing with you what I made for dinner on this day, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using for the recipe. I will be making spaghetti bolognese with stir-fry vegetables. I hope that I'm pronouncing that correctly, and this is the first time that I'll be making this, and I am glad that it turned out so good. Maybe it could be because of the fact that I love everything to do with pasta, but truthfully, I love the outcome so much.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
So guys, I am done with preparing dinner and I'm glad that I got to share it with you. I hope that you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it. And thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.